What is the percent of modulation if the power in the sideband is 5 watts and carrier power is 30 watts? A 0.81, B 0.8, C 0.4, D 0.2. The correct answer is 0.81. What is the bandwidth of the signal if the upper sideband frequency and the lower sideband frequency are 7350 kHz and 7210 kHz respectively? A 14560 kHz, B 140 kHz, C 1500 kHz, D 800 kHz. The correct answer is 140 kHz. What is the upper sideband frequency if the carrier frequency and the modulating signal frequency is 30 kHz and 80 Hz respectively? A 3000 Hz, B 30.8 kHz, C 3080 kHz, D 30.8 Hz. The correct answer is 30.8 kHz. What is the maximum carrier frequency to be used if the upper limit frequency that is available is 4000 Hz and the frequency of the modulating signal is 100 Hz? A 4100 Hz, B 4000 Hz, C 400 Hz, D 3900 Hz. The correct answer is 3900 Hz. What is the bandwidth of the signal if the highest frequency in the modulating signal is 3 kHz? A 6 kHz, B 3 kHz, C 5 kHz, D 140 kHz. The correct answer is 6 kHz. What is the total power if the carrier power is 30 watts and the percentage of modulation is 85? A 70 watts, B 40.8 watts, C 51.6 watts, D 20 watts. The correct answer is 51.6 watts. What is the power in each sideband if the carrier power is 30 watts and percentage of modulation is 85? A 8.55 watts, B 5.418 watts, C 7.542 watts, D 1.235 watts. The correct answer is 5.418 watts. If an AM signal is transmitted at a frequency of 990 kHz and the N is allowed to transmit modulating frequencies up to 5 kHz, what is the maximum upper sideband that is produced? A 995 kHz, B 985 kHz, C 4950 kHz, D 198 kHz. The correct answer is 995 kHz. Where is ASK used? A binary data transmission, B analog data transmission, C TV waves transmission, D audio signal transmission. The correct answer is binary data transmission. What type of display will give us clear information on the signal if it is made up of different frequencies? A frequency domain display, B amplitude domain display, C time domain display, D bandwidth display. The correct answer is frequency domain display. What is the instrument that is used to represent the frequency domain of the signal? A frequency indicator, B amplitude indicator, C spectrum analyzer, D oscilloscope. The correct answer is spectrum analyzer. What is the wave of frequency that occurs at the sum and difference of the carrier and modulating signal is called? A noise signals, B sideband, C extraband, D neutral band. The correct answer is sideband. Which of the following is an example of CW transmission? A sensor data transmission, B Morse code transmission, C audio signal transmission, D. TV wave transmission. The correct answer is Morse code transmission. What is harmonic sideband interference known as? A. Sideband interference. B. Decay. C. Distortion. D. Splatter. The correct answer is splatter. Square waves are made up of numerous fundamental sine waves. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.